Hello friend, welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. Today video I'm going to show you how to draw in AutoCAD. So first I have an example of one building like this. So okay, now we're going to draw the door for this building. Okay, first we go to draw the line. So now I define 90 and then enter. And then enter the other command. So we go to draw the line again and we define 90 and then enter the other command. Now we go to draw the arc by select 3 point. Okay, now we click on 3 point and then we click on first point and move the mouse and we click the second point and we move the mouse and we click the third point. Okay, now you can move the arc a little bit. Okay, now we can draw an arc, so we need to continue to draw one more arc. Okay, click the first point and then move the mouse to the third point. Okay, now we adjust the arc a little bit. So, okay, now we can draw the door of this building. Okay, by using arc 3 point. So now we go into draw the arc with other option. Now we go to select the arc. So we select this point, start, center and end. Now we click on here, first point, and then we click on the second point, and then we move the mouse down, and then we click. Okay, now the command is done already. So now we go into draw one more door. So click on arc and then click on first point and click on the second point and move the mouse left and click the third point on this area. Okay, now we can draw the arc like this. If you want to try one more option, so for the arc we have many options on here, like this one. Depend on which one you want to use. But for me, I recommend to use this tool to draw the arc. So okay, if you want to continue to do one more arc, so we go to select this one and then we click on the first point and click on the second point and then we move the mouse up. Okay, it's nearly the same, so I need to move the line a little bit. It's nearly the same as previous option. So we go into continue, so we click on the first point and move on the second point and then we move the mouse up and click. So it's error a little bit, so we need to adjust the arc. Okay, I think for you can try more options. So, but for this example I can show you only 2 examples. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Alright for now, so thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.